Friends, we have developed a practice skill development program with a course structure defining them in 5 important categories for the development of your skill of presentation that is needed in practice before the NCLT and NCLT. As you are aware, this is a new forum which has been given to us under the Companies Act 2013 after waiting for it since last more than 14 years, ever since it was given in the year 2002 Second Companies Act Amendment. And the 5 important compositions are: 1. The grievance redressal concepts. Number 2, client confidence measures. And the 3rd is the drafting contours. 4th, the appearance and presentation skill. And the 5th is simulated court environment evaluation. The 4th stage of our course structure is focused on the most important aspect where you would be extremely keen to learn, that is the appearance and presentation skill. After all, this is the area where you would be looking to hone up your skill before the forum to be able to bring about an element of confidence in you and get the desired result for your client. And the entire skill set that you would need to develop for the appearance and presentation is thus: always maintain dressing sense, spick and span, and inimicable form, keeping in view that the attire, if the regulation so prescribes, but always maintain your dressing sense first. 2nd, ensure a lively and intuitive body language. That is extremely important. And 3rd, always ensure acclimatizing yourself with the forum's catchword. Generally, many forums have different catchwords. You have to keep in mind all those catchwords and the etiquettes of the forum. The 4th is keep the personal file of yours, which you will be carrying with you to argue before the forum, in sync with that of the court's file. Always it should be in sync in terms of the pagination, in terms of the flagging, so that the relevant pages you can straight away go to that of and taking the court along with you. Compile a list of judgments with the judgments in that sequence in adequate number should be there, as you would be taking support during the course of your argument on the legal questions. Get ready yourself with all possible answers to the questions that may be posed to you, and always ensure making focus on the relief. As I have told you in my earlier stage for the drafting contours, in that you have to ensure that the relief should be at the forefront of your entire action. Now, even during the course of your argument, you should always focus on the relief sought. Then, do not get distracted to the opposite party's rants or any irrelevant comments or deviation. Always maintain a sense of proportion and avoid getting distracted to anything beyond the list, that is the relief prayed by you, and argue from a short written note. As I've told you, written note will play the vital role. And remember, one of the today's biggest challenge for all of us, the practitioners, are because the number of cases are plenty and the time availability for each case by the forum will be limited. You need to be extremely on your subject, critically carrying the court through the relevant points without getting distracted and without wasting any time. These are the important points we should always develop, and that we are looking forward to take you through these phases of learning process. Thank you.